All right. The next thing that we're going to talk about is energy. Okay. So in energy, energy equals power times time. Okay. However long you're using that power, okay, you multiply the power times however long you're using it, and you get the amount of energy that you actually use. And that's what we just used in the problem before. Okay. Energy is measured in joules, power is measured in watts, and time in seconds. Okay, so this is the example that we're going to go through. Power supplied to a radio is 30 watts when it's connected to 120 volts. How much energy does the radio use in 2 hours? So you got to figure out the energy, so you know you're going to be using the equation for, or the formula for energy. Okay, so we have the power is 30 watts, we have the time, which is hours. So all you got to do is plug those in. Okay, but remember that the time has to be in seconds, so let's change that to seconds. So that equals 7,200 seconds. So when we plug that in, you end up with 216,000 joules, or 2.16 times 10 to the fifth joules. Okay, so that's how you figure out the energy. Okay, now remember, if you're given other type of information, remember that for power we have three equations, so you could actually put the equations there. Okay, if they don't give you the power but they give you the voltage and the resistance, you can figure that out by just plugging in that information into the power equation. Okay, all right, this right here is very important for you to understand and for you to have. Okay, I made a quick chart just to show you all the formulas that we have. Okay, current is I and is measured in amps, which is coulombs per second. Okay, electric potential is B and is in volts. Resistance is in ohms and we use R. Power is in watts, or voltage per second. Okay, that's the power that goes through there. Energy is in joules, okay, or watts per second. Remember that electric companies sell you kilowatts per hour. Kilowatt hours, not per hour, kilowatt hours. Okay, and the equations for this, okay, again, for this you would use your triangle, but you have it here, and that's the reason I put it on the side. For current, electric potential, and resistance, you use your triangle. Now for power, you have three equations, and you can do that by solving for the I or the V, and I showed you that earlier. And the last one would be the energy, okay, and that's just energy equals power times the amount of time that you use that power. Okay, so hopefully this helped you. I know it's a little long, but I hope to help you. Okay.